welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics BFF palette, Alondra and Elsy. So this palette looks like this. I'm thinking I want to use the baby blues here and maybe this blue and like this. Yeah, I'm going with blues today. So I feel like I've been doing blues lately. I don't know what that means, but we're going to do blue again today. So we're gonna go ahead and start by putting a color in our crease. And for our crease, I'm going to put, should I put some brown in my crease? Why not? Aloe and L's here. And we'll just start by putting this in our crease. I'm pretty sure I haven't used this palette yet, other than just like when I swatched it after I bought it. Or when I swatched it during the haul. Okay, that color felt a little patchy going on, but that's okay. Now we're going to go into, what is this? Salvadoreña here. Okay, and put that on the outer portion. I kind of wanted to put a little bit of pink in this look. And I don't have tape on, so I'm not going to be taking it too far out. Maybe it's this background that's giving me like the blue vibes, because my last blue look, I think that I had this background up. Okay, so I decided I'm not gonna go with the baby blue in this palette. So the baby blue are these colors here. So this one's Virgo and this is Malibu. This one's a shimmer shade. I think I'm gonna go with You're Sick. And let's see. I have these two P. Louise bases. I think You're Sick goes closer to this green one here, which is called Hint of Mint. So let me cut my crease a little bit. I'm not gonna cut it too much, just, am I? I actually think, okay, I think what I'm going to do, let me build up this color on the outer edge, because I think I'm actually gonna cut my crease all the way to the edge. But I'm not taking this shade, which is Salvadoreña, all the way forward. I'm just stopping it right here. And I used the BH Cosmetics Blue Muffin or Blueberry Muffin palette when I did the look that's kind of similar to this blue look. So that's why I'm going to switch it up. And I'm going to go ahead, cut my crease with this Hint of Mint and come right back. Crease is cut. Now I'm going to take, so while I was cutting my crease, I was trying to figure out what I was going to do. So I think what I'm going to try to do is take Messy here and You're Sick and add those colors together. So first we're going to take Messy and I'm going to do a halo within this cut crease, or attempt to. We got to see what Messy's looking like when it goes on. Okay, so that's Messy so far. Let me swatch it on my hand. Okay, so that's what Messy looks like. I wonder if I should have put Messy. No, I'll do it in the reverse. So I'm basically putting Messy on the outer parts And then we're going to take your Sick, and your Sick looks like this blue here. And we're gonna put that on the inner part. So just something different. Okay, go back into Messy. And just tap it on the inner portion to help them blend. And of course the outer portion. Okay. And you want them to like blend and transition so that you don't see like where you stopped each color. Like that. Now let's do it to this eye. And now I just need to go do my eyeliner, the rest of my face, and come back. My face is done, so now I just need to do my lower lash line and my lips. So for my lower lash line, I think I want to take this baby blue here, so Malibu. And I'm just going to press that at the bottom. Okay, and then we're gonna take Virgo next to it, which is a shimmer shade, and see if we can kind of make that baby blue more noticeable. Something in my inner corner, and I think what I'm gonna put there is, I'm just gonna go with this pink here, and that's called Baby E. So let's go ahead and do our lips. I have to make sure they match. Okay, so for my lips, I brought out this Profusion matte lip liner, and this is the color Matte Peach. And then for lip gloss, I got Hot Chocolate by Glam. I feel like this look is missing something. Let me get see if I have a blue lower lash liner. Okay, so for my lower lash liner, I'm gonna use this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the color Prance. So I've already done it on this eye, and you see it kind of intensified my lower lash line color, that light blue eyeshadow. So I'm going to put this on this eye now. So this is the completed look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.